Hey there everyone, welcome to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change gradient colors. Yes, there is the option of gradient color in Canva. It's not only about the boring solid colors, you can turn it into gradient color and that too into your own preference. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So this is the blank page over here. I'm going to show you how to change the gradient. So let's turn the whole page, okay, since we don't have anything else to work on to. So let's change the pick and hit this option that is background color over here. And here you can choose various options, but since we're going to turn it into gradient color, there is an option of gradients just below the solid colors. So let's say I want to choose this one over here, and there you go. There's another option, like you can simply tap in here, and let's say I want to change the gradient color. Okay, suppose this is blue, this is going blue to more towards pink. I want to change it like upside down. There's many styles, you can choose different styles like this. So this is more like from the center towards like outer. This is from the top to the like bottom, like, you know the drill. So this is how you change gradient. If you want to change the color, say you don't like this color pink and blue, you can also change the color likewise. Let's say I'm going to change it into more yellow and purple. Yeah, they can choose the color from the slider here. So yeah, this is how you change into gradient color. It is quite simple. You can do it according to your own preference. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.